Right, hello there. Current tracks that you see online for sale at the moment, they'll be in the bio link, my shop. Just focus on certain ones. Yes, there's a lot, I think, of these sort of track display things, usually wall hung around, but mine I hopefully find that the quality's pretty cool and they're just that little bit different. Okay, so they all come with their own design stand. The stand's size is basically the same, but each pin, let's open to this one, have been designed so that they fit the track, height, etc. So if you look at if I get the Ascen one out the way here, you can see that's totally different, and then it kind of like goes with the track. The second individual thing, apart from them being freestanding, is that if I can get one to show, pop that over there, you can see that reflection going on there. Well, under light in different angles it changes, and that's built into the print itself. Even though this is a black filament, obviously, which quite a lot of people do use, but it goes with the theme of a racetrack. This one's Anglesey, say for example, in the UK. And then on the reverse side, again, it's not just a random texture. This is actually, if I need to get focused in again, there we go. It's taken from a slick tyre marbling, that effect that happens when tyres get slicked up and you get that marble on the side of tracks and things like that. So this is the effect I tried to get on this side, which is cool. And they're all different because what I do is I stamp that texture out on each design, so every single one's different. Each track design, sorry, that is. Obviously once they've processed the design, that's it. So there you go. So obviously when you swing that round into certain lights, the actual design pattern, like a petrol effect style, which is really nice. So anyway, that's the quality. I hope you like it. I mean, the definition on there's no sort of lots of, I print at sort of about 12mm for each one, so that it's really sort of slick and calm and nice. So yeah, that's my Anglesey. Which one we got here? We've got Ascen. Lovely long track, bit low, but track's nice. You see there the texture. This is a popular one at the moment. You want to guess what it is? Yeah, Silverstone. Some come out differently with the design, which I think is just amazing. And as you can follow down there, see? And then each one will have a name on. It's not going to have full on kind of what's it names, because obviously it will look silly on the base, but as you can see there, again, the design is fitted into the track. What I've also done is made sure that none of the bends, which I didn't want to get in, none of the corners are lost from the design with the stand. They come, sometimes they're part of the display stand. So like if you look at there, that's holding part of that one up and then keeps that rigidity. But I'm not losing any design of the track. This one is, I've got it on a stand, but they do kind of stay up on their own, but not without the stand. This is Yas Marina, Abu Dhabi. You can see this flicking around in the background. So they're all printed to the same quality, all printed to the same standard. If I lay that one flat, you can see the quality on the other side with the same slick marbling effect tyres. So there you go. Each one has got MotoGP selection complete to choose from, and then also the F1 tracks. So that's the tracks. Move those out of the way. Very new one coming along for the horse racers of you. Same concept, but very different. This one in particular at the moment is Aintree. 3D display stand with the jumps, and they're raised off from the background of the green. You can see the quality there. Finishing posts, and that's brand new and becoming live today. So that's Aintree. Back to the motorsport selection. Quite new in. Those who know their F1 will see that as a F1 wheel nut. This is off the this year's. So this one has deliberately been placed in a replica position because of the wornness. I print this, I then prime it, base coat and lacquer so it looks all nice and shiny, and then go and ruin it. No, because replicas of the worn look that basically makes it look like it's been used on track with the guns, etc. These are around 300 to 500 pounds. For the actual real ones, these are going for just 44 quid. I say just because of the work that's involved, and they do look mint. They come with their own little stand. Selection in this red, which matches, and then also a gold, which will be on another video. So these are absolutely, again, always printed to a high standard and then worn in the right ways to make it look like they've been used. So a lot cheaper alternative if you're a bit like me that can't afford 400 quid for a real wheel nut. There we go, that's that. Lastly today, nice quality, hard wearing, double linear coasters. Simple as. These ones just are the Isle of Man TT, which is pretty obvious on this one. It comes in a pack of 4, currently on Etsy and my own website. I'll get this live onto TikTok, but yeah, again, I try to go for high standard. I don't like seeing print lines and things like that decided a part of it. If the bases and things don't line up properly, or if there's a defect in any shape or form, they don't make it into sale. I just love the pattern on this one. So this is like a chrome finish, and then that's cut out, indented inside. So yeah, just a real nice, whether you're into biking, perhaps a bike shop, that sort of thing with your customers. So that's 4 with a stand. So yeah, so that's the motorsport style memorabilia things that we've got today, and the new green one. Ciao for now.